YouTube, and welcome to this video. Last time I recorded a video, it failed, so I got angry and stopped making videos for a while. But I'm back with the same type of video I was meant to be last time, but different packs. I've got 2 Select Champions and 2 Match Attacks. You can actually get this for $10, so it's really good value. I just showed you it's sealed. So first pack, I'm doing Match Attacks first, sealed. And first pack we get Agent, Eden Dzeko, Konchesky, Guzan, and Frauin. Bad pack, all base, but we should be getting a foil in this pack because look at the odds here. 1 in 2 packs is some good cards, so let's go. We have a record breaker and a how do you play guide. Save the record breaker till last. I didn't just see that. Alhamidi, Collins, Dan, Ramsey. Oh, that's a sick one! Oh, yes! Mark Schwarzer, obviously Australian. Record breaker. 151 clean sheets. Look at that. Mark Schwarzer. That is amazing because I'm from his country. Next pack is Select Champions. I don't know why people say Select's hard to open, because it is really easy. So we get a foil in every pack here. So Joe Watson, Daniel Pearce, Andrew Walker, Matthew Stokes, David Swallow, Silver Parallel, Shane Mumford, Josh Kennedy, and Sam Jacobs. Next pack is sealed. So we haven't got... Oh, that's a good pull. I just said we haven't gotten the best of pulls today, and then we pull my second best and fairest, the Keith Bully Escott. Is that Truscott? Yeah, Truscott Trophy. Nathan Jones, and we still get a parallel in this pack, which is absolutely amazing. Oh no, it's alright guys. So, Nathan Jones, best and fairest, that is a good pull. Kale Hooker, Matthew Pavlich, Chris Yaron, and we get Matthew Wright, Silver Parallel, Dylan Shield, Shannon Hearn, and Brody Smith. So great pull. They're 2 in every box, those cards. So second best cards in the collection. My other one, I believe, is... Actually, I'm not sure who it is. Let me just check now for you. I'll pause the video. Alright, so I found my other one, and it is Tom Liberatore. So I got 2 from Not the Best, but you'd get 2 of these in a box. So that's pretty good for my luck. For some reason, this seemed thicker. Alright, thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, please smack that like button and subscribe. It's been your boy Aussie FIFA, and peace.